Alright, welcome back to Josh's Ratchet Hair Salon, part 2. Okay, what we're going to do is, you can see that the silver industrial icy color that we done last time has grown out. And yeah, so we're going to bleach some and then recolor a different color. Not sure yet, but we're going to DIY it again, because that's what we do. But anyway, so let's get started. I've already got the bleach mixed. So we're going to start applying it. And that is what we do, okay? Alright, so now we're going to let that bleaching sit, and I'll be back on here when it's done, okay? Alright, so I put a plastic bag over my hair for the bleach won't get all over me. How ghetto or ratchet is that? Anyway, so let me wash this out. I'll be right back, okay? Alright, so we just washed it out, and now we're going to do the hair color, which is cobalt blue, twisted teal, and plum purple all mixed together to make some color. I don't know what color, but we're going to do it and we're going to see how it goes. You want to make sure you get it inside your hair really good. And this is a good way to condition your hair after you bleach it. We're kind of go for like pastel colors, if you know what I mean. Alright, so I mixed some more purple in with the conditioner to make it more purpley. And we're just going all over it to give it that purple look, or like industrial look and feel, if you know what I mean. Alright, now I'm just going to let that dry, and when I'm done I'll take it out. Alright, so it's dried and everything, and since I added a little bit more purple to it, it came out more like dark blue color. But it's okay because I like it, so that's all that matters. Okay, so thank you for watching Josh's Ratchet Hair Salon Part 2. And if you like this video, even though it's crazy, hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching. And yeah, here I'll show you what color it is. If it'll focus. Is it gonna focus? Anyway, so that's what color it is. Yeah. Alright, thank you for watching.